In this video, I will show you how to turn off demo store mode on your TCL Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the TCL Android TV. But following the same steps, you should be able to turn off or disable or remove the demo store mode on even your TCL Google TV as well. And to do this, basically, you want to head over to the settings of your TCL Smart TV. Do not choose the settings at the top right corner of the TV. Go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control. So you can literally see the settings icon on my TCL remote control over here. If you have a different type of TCL remote control, just go ahead and look for this settings icon over here on your remote control. Go ahead and press on it, and you're going to see this TV settings menu on your TCL Smart TV. Now from the TV settings over here, you want to scroll down to where you have system settings. Go ahead and click on it, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to auto shop mode over here. Go ahead and turn off this option, and automatically the demo store mode on your TCL Smart TV will be turned off. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.